Hello, today I'm going to talk about strengthening the shoulder girdle and the shoulder joint in order to ensure we have a full range of motion. The shoulder joint and shoulder girdle and scapula all work together so that we can move around freely, and sometimes when you get injured, that can be inhibited, so it's really important to keep them strong and prevent that. I'm going to talk about the push-up position for improving scapular strength and the wall slides for shoulder joint stability, and then just do a stretch to combine the two and see how they work. I will demonstrate the push-up first and then talk about it, and this involves protraction and retraction. So it's very important to really isolate it. It's a little bit difficult because you have to get in a really strong push-up position, and you protract and you retract and you protract and retract, and just really focus on isolating it. Don't get any other muscles involved because that's not what you're trying to strengthen. So that exercise uses the coronal plane and is therefore in the x-axis. Like I said, it protracts and retracts. The concentric part is during protraction because you're going against the gravity, and it is a close kinetic chain because the arms are not moving and they're against the surface. So you definitely want to try and isolate it to stabilize it. It involves the trapezius, the scapula, and serratus inferior muscles. The shoulder girdle is basically just used to help with full range of motion, like I said. And next you have wall slides, which use the frontal plane, so also the x-axis. They involve the pec minor trapezius and scapula as well, and abduction and adduction, and it's also an open kinetic chain. So you're gonna have to find a wall. And stand against it with your feet against the wall. And get your arms against the wall and your shoulders out. And then as you do that, pull your scapulas together and slowly lift and down so you can really feel it and once again isolate. So it's abduction and adduction. And you can also do this as kind of a push-up or with your arms out and pull them back. Then lastly, the two are together when you're stretching, for example, because both of them are engaged. So the following stretch uses the coronal plane and the x-axis once again, and it is an isometric exercise since it is stationary and therefore also an open kinetic chain. So the simple exercise would just be this, and just hold that, and you can feel that your scapulas are coming together and your shoulders are involved, and just really focus on that. And that's about it.